What's going on, everybody? Just like to take a quick second and thank everyone who's got the channel to 1,000 subscribers thus far. We made it over the Christmas holidays, so that's pretty cool. I don't generally ask for subscribers because I feel personally that if someone finds the content helpful or useful, that they'll hit the button, and if they don't find it useful, then they won't. My opinion on it, but I'll hardly ever ask anybody to subscribe because that's just the way I view it. Hopefully we can keep the channel rolling, with some different content, new content, and if you got any ideas, just leave me a comment down below as anything you'd like to see in particular. Of course, me making halfway decent content and my editing skills kind of suck. I'm trying to do the best I can there and keep learning and try to make the content as polished as I can. So hopefully that improves as time goes on. But again, just like to thank everyone, and here's to another 1,000.